Lindsay here again with another layout for SPIEGELMOM Scraps. I'm also doing this for a paper issue scrap lift challenge, so that's kind of where I got the design from, but I am taking it and running with it and going kind of in my own way. So I'm using this paper, and this is from We Are Memory Keepers, and let's see if I have them. It's from the Urban Chic collection, and it's called Wanderlust. And I love these words. I have 2 sheets of this paper and I have been hoarding it. So I would guess it's probably at least a year old. Oh, this says 2016. All right, so anyhow, I just love the words in this paper. They're all very strong, like girl-focused words, and the colors are amazing. So I am scrapping a photo of my daughter and myself. I think this is one of our first times out. We went to Walmart back in April and wearing masks. Yeah, so it's just, you know, not really about anything, just about our first time out of the house in a while. So I am choosing, oh, excuse me. In the original layout, Kelly had put, like lined her pattern paper with some black paper, and so I am going to line mine with sequins. So I have these are called the Penguin Suit. I'm not 100% sure if these are still available in the shop or not. The last time I checked they were, but things fluctuate pretty quickly. So if not, I'm sure there's something comparable. And I'm just picking out the black flat sequins to create my kind of line here. And all I'm using, I just put down some ATG tape right along the side. I'm using my favorite sequin picker. Actually, it's a jewel picker. I got this off of Amazon. It's by Marvy. And this is my favorite tool for picking up sequins. When you have to be like precise like this, it really makes a difference. So, and I'm just outlining all of these paper pieces here. And this is just a very simple way to get a lot of shine and shimmer on your page. It's also a little bit different than your usual, you know, backing with paper. So it's a fun technique. Speaking of technique, if you haven't checked it out already, we had a sequin technique hop back on July 18th, so Saturday, and a bunch of the sparklers participated, showing you how we like to use our sequins. And so if you haven't checked that out, you should definitely head on over to one of the sparklers pages, either on Instagram or on YouTube, and kind of follow along and get some inspiration on how to use your sequins up. Using them up is kind of a funny term because I have a ton of sequins and I am trying to get some of my older ones used up. So if you follow me, you will be seeing me pull out more of my older mixes from SPIEGELMOM Scraps. I mean, they're all relevant, right? Because Jody is very conscious of making a lot of times they're based on collections or on the colors of the season, but they are very versatile and they go with so many different things. Like this paper is from a couple of years ago and I still was able to pull out 2 of the newer mixes. I think Touch of Sun and Flamingo Bay. Touch of Sun was from June, I believe, and Flamingo Bay is from July, if I'm not mistaken. And, you know, they matched perfectly. I mean, I know the colors in scrapbooking don't vary a whole lot, but they do, and it makes a difference when you have a product that you can use from year to year and really get like the most bang for your buck out of it. So I just backed my photo with some tissue paper. It's got little sparkles in it, and then put it up on some fun foam. And I have these flowers that I fussy cut out from a Paige Evans Bloom Street paper, and I'm going to be using them. And here I had to stop my camera and then I thought I hit record and I didn't. I'm going to apologize for the lighting in this video. It's terrible. My camera went out last night. I thought I had recorded like half the video. I didn't. So I figured out what happened. One of the outlets on my power strip don't work anymore. So either I can have my camera plugged in or my lights plugged in, but not both. So yeah. So I chose camera for this one. So the sun is up. I did it early this morning, and yeah, so it's just a little bit of, you know, sunshine coming in and out. So I do apologize for if the shadows are bothering you. But just adhering these down and kind of the clusters, Kelly had similar clusters on her page. I believe she used the Chamel collection, Never Grow Up. But I am in love with these flowers from Paige Evans, and so I had to fussy cut them out and use them. Again, I have another layout coming up where I fussy cut a ton of them. So I just got these thickers from Paper Issues, and I am in love with them. They're called Hey. They're foiled foam letter stickers, and they're kind of holographic almost. And so I just wrote the word mask down there. I had no idea what my title was going to be, by the way, going into this. But I wanted to do part of the title up here like was in the original layout. So it's going to say let's go out and then ... And then I'm going to put wear a mask is going to be the kind of main title down in the bottom. Not very exciting or anything. I just couldn't think of anything else. So I'm also, these stickers I'm using right now are called See the Good, and the ones that I spelled out let's go out are glittery, and the ones that say where are just black kind of cardstock. So pulled out these freckled fawn tags just for somewhere I'm going to write twinsies on one and write the date on the other. And then I'm going to add a few sequins. I'm not going to go too crazy because I already have a lot of bling on there. So I'm going to add a couple of the, a yellow one and a teal one from the Touch of Sun. And then I'm going to add the kind of purpley pink one from Flamingo Bay. And then that's going to be it. So don't forget you can use my code DAISY15 for 15% off your next purchase in the SPIEGELMOM Scraps shop. And like I said, head over and check out that technique hat if you have not already and if you're looking for a way to use your sequins. Thanks for watching. Bye.